What if the coffee sitting on your counter right now could do more than just wake you up? What if a few simple additions could genuinely support your health in meaningful ways? Welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we explore wellness through the lens of actual science. Today we're talking about natural ingredients you can add to your morning coffee that have real research behind them. No magic bullets, no miracle cures, just honest information about 5 ingredients that may complement your coffee routine. Let's be clear from the start, these aren't going to transform your life overnight, but they do have interesting properties worth knowing about. Let's start with raw cacao powder. This isn't the same as the processed cocoa you find in most stores. Raw cacao contains flavonoids, which are plant compounds that may support cardiovascular health. Some research suggests these compounds could help with blood flow and provide antioxidants. When added to coffee, it creates a pleasant chocolate flavor while potentially offering these benefits. About 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed into your coffee is a typical serving. Moving on to Ceylon cinnamon. This matters because it's different from the common cassia cinnamon found in most grocery stores. Ceylon contains much lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be problematic in large amounts. Some studies indicate that cinnamon may help with blood sugar regulation, though results vary between individuals. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in your coffee is generally considered safe and may add both flavor and potential metabolic support. Lion's mane mushroom powder has gained attention for its potential cognitive benefits. This functional mushroom contains compounds that some research suggests may support nerve health and cognitive function. The evidence is still emerging, but early studies show promise for memory and focus. Using a dual extracted powder ensures you're getting both water-soluble and fat-soluble compounds. 1 to 2 teaspoons in your coffee gives you a savory, umami-like depth. Creatine monohydrate might surprise you on this list. While bodybuilders have used it for decades, research increasingly shows cognitive benefits beyond muscle support. Your brain uses significant energy, and creatine helps cells produce ATP, the energy currency of your body. Studies suggest it may support mental performance and reduce mental fatigue. About 5 grams, roughly 1 teaspoon. Stirred into your morning coffee is the standard research dose. Finally, glycine powder. This simple amino acid is involved in numerous body processes, from collagen production to sleep quality. Research indicates that glycine supplementation may support better sleep, reduce inflammation, and help with various metabolic processes. It dissolves easily in coffee and adds a subtle sweetness without calories. 3 to 5 grams in your morning coffee is a common approach, with some people taking additional glycine in the evening for sleep support. When trying any of these additions, start with 1 at a time so you can gauge how your body responds. Quality matters, so look for reputable brands with third-party testing. Remember that individual responses vary, and what works wonderfully for one person might not have the same effect for you. These additions work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, not as replacements for good sleep, nutrition, and exercise. The truth is, there's no single powder that will revolutionize your health overnight. But thoughtfully chosen additions to your coffee routine, backed by research and used consistently, may offer genuine support for your wellness goals. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to BioWell Hub for more evidence-based health content. Drop a comment below telling us which powder you're most interested in trying, and as always, consult with your healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Thanks for watching, and here's to informed wellness choices.